Have you ever noticed that people slowly become like the friends they keep? What if I told you? Crime works the same way. Criminals are not born, they are taught. Why do normal teenagers join gangs? Why do ordinary people become internet scammers? It's not magic, it's learning. What if crime spreads the same way fashion trends spread? Through influence, imitation, and reward. Nobody wakes up one morning and decides to become a criminal. It is a process, a pattern, a lesson. Crime is not inherited, it is learned. It's not because they're born evil, it's because crime is taught, copied, and rewarded, just like learning any skill. Imagine a young boy who has never stolen before. He meets new friends. He watches them. He listens. He learns. Within months, he is one of them. That is social learning theory. Today, I'll show you exactly how this happens, step by step. Hello, Blommies. Welcome to Criminology Unlocked, unveiling the science behind crime, security, and society. This video is strictly for educational purposes and does not promote crime or violence. Social learning theory in criminology developed from sociological and psychological traditions that argue criminal behavior is not inherited. It is learned through interaction. Evolved from Edwin H. Sutherland, Differential Association Theory, 1947. Later expanded by Ronald L. Akers. Akers refined Sutherland's ideas and formally called it social learning theory in the 1960s, 1970s. It blends sociology, behavioral psychology, and reinforcement theory. Shows us that criminals are not born, they are taught, rewarded, and influenced by the people around them. Proponent or founder of social learning theory. The proponent of social learning theory is Ronald Louis Akers. He is an American criminologist and sociologist, a professor of criminology and law. Also one of the most influential criminological theorists of the late 20th century. He is especially famous for explaining how criminal behavior is learned through social interaction and reinforcement. Akers made the theory more scientific and testable. Now that we know the proponent, it is ideal we know the principles. Principles of social learning theory. The theory is an integration model. Ronald L. Akers did not create the theory from nothing. He integrated differential association, behavioral psychology, operant conditioning principles, and sociological interactionism. So social learning theory is a bridge between psychology and sociology. That integration is one reason it is powerful. Now that we know the principle, let's explore the basic assumptions. Basic assumptions of social learning theory. Crime is not inherited biologically. Crime is learned through social interaction. Learning occurs in small, intimate groups. Behavior is influenced by rewards and punishments. The same learning process applies to criminal and non-criminal behavior. There is nothing special about criminal learning. It follows normal learning processes. Sit tight because I am about to show you exactly how this happens, step by step, which is the concept. 4 main concepts of social learning theory. Number 1, differential association. People learn criminal behavior through interaction with others. If a person associates more with criminals than non-criminals, crime becomes more likely. You become like the people you spend time with. Example, a teenager surrounded by gang members is more likely to join. Number 2, definitions. These are the attitudes, beliefs, and meanings a person attaches to behavior. If someone believes stealing is okay if you are poor, and everyone cheats, so it's normal, those beliefs support crime. Crime increases when definitions favorable to crime outweigh definitions against crime. If someone believes stealing is okay if you are poor, that definition supports crime. If definitions favorable to crime outweigh unfavorable ones, crime increases. Number 3, imitation. People copy behavior they observe, especially from Role models: friends, family, and media. If a person sees others commit crime and benefit from it, they may imitate that behavior. Example: a child sees older peers shoplifting and imitates them. Cybercrime tutorials and online scams. Number 4, differential reinforcement. Behavior continues when it is rewarded and stops when it is punished. Crime is reinforced when it brings money, status, approval, and excitement. If punishment is weak or inconsistent, criminal behavior strengthens. It includes positive and negative reinforcement and vicarious reinforcement. Let's talk about sequence of learning criminal behavior. The process is not random. It follows this order. Number 1, association with deviant peers. Number 2, exposure to definitions favorable to crime. Number 3, imitation of behavior. Number 4, reinforcement strengthens behavior. Number 5, behavior becomes stable pattern. This sequencing is important. Many people only list the 4 concepts, but they don't explain that crime develops progressively. This video is strictly for educational purposes and does not promote crime or violence. Let us look at types of reinforcement. Number 1, positive reinforcement. This occurs when a behavior is followed by a reward, making the behavior more likely to happen again. If committing a crime brings benefits, the person is encouraged to repeat it. Examples: a person steals and gets money, feels successful, repeats theft. Crime is strengthened because it pays off. A person continues committing crime because they gain something desirable. If reward is added, behavior increases. Number 2, negative reinforcement. This happens when a behavior removes or avoids something unpleasant, increasing the likelihood of repeating the behavior. Crime is committed to escape stress, pain, or pressure. Example: a person joins a gang to avoid bullying. Someone steals to escape poverty. Drug use to escape emotional pain. A gang member commits crime and avoids arrest. Crime is negatively reinforced. If something bad is removed, behavior increases. Number 3, direct reinforcement. This is reinforcement experienced personally by the individual after engaging in a behavior. The person directly experiences rewards or punishments. Example: if a person is arrested, it may reduce crime. When a criminal is rewarded with money, he or she continues the crime. Number 4, indirect reinforcement. This occurs when a person learns by observing others being rewarded or punished. People imitate behavior based on what happens to others. Example: seeing a friend get rich through fraud motivates imitation. Watching someone get arrested discourages crime. Observing gang members gaining respect encourages joining. Let's talk about role of primary groups. Learning criminal behavior occurs mainly in family, close friends, and peer groups, not just society in general. It applies to all types of crime. Many people think it only explains juvenile delinquency, but it also explains white-collar crime, corporate crime, political corruption, cybercrime, terrorist radicalization, and anywhere people learn techniques and receive reinforcement. Let's talk about empirical testing of social learning theory. Unlike many older theories, social learning theory has strong research support, has been tested in juvenile delinquency, has been applied to cybercrime and drug abuse. And it is one of the most empirically supported criminological theories. Advantages of social learning theory. Number 1, explains juvenile delinquency effectively. Number 2, explains gang involvement. Number 3, white-collar crime. Number 4, supported by empirical research. Number 5, applies to modern cybercrime. Number 6, can be tested scientifically. Disadvantages of social learning theory. Number 1, ignores biological factors. Number 2, does not fully explain first criminal act. Number 3, hard to measure definitions precisely. Let's look at the criticisms of social learning theory. Number 1, explains continuation of crime more than initiation. Number 2, some argue it underestimates individual free will. Number 3, probabilistic, not deterministic. Number 4, some critics say it has cultural context limitations. Let's look at the policy implications of social learning theory. If crime is learned, then number 1, criminal peers must be disrupted and replace criminal peers with pro-social mentors. Number 2, increase consistent punishment. Number 3, positive role models must be introduced. Number 4, provide positive reinforcement for lawful behavior. Number 5, strengthen family and community bonds. Number 6, this is why rehabilitation programs use reward systems. Modern relevance of social learning theory. Social learning theory is extremely relevant today because, number 1, it explains online fraud networks. Number 2, it explains terrorist radicalization. Number 3, it explains cult behavior in the society. Number 4, it explains peer pressure among youths. Number 5, it explains social media influence. In this context, internet scam groups teach techniques, reinforce success, and reward members. That is pure social learning. In summary, social learning theory argues that criminal behavior is learned through interaction, imitation, reinforcement, and definitions favorable to crime. Social learning theory doesn't just explain crime, it shows us how society can teach good as effectively as it teaches bad. Society teaches crime, society can also unteach it. What many people miss is that social learning theory is not just about peer influence. It is a structured behavioral model explaining how crime begins, how crime continues, how crime can stop, and why some individuals resist crime despite exposure. Crime is not mysterious. It is patterned, reinforced, and socially transmitted. Social learning theory treats criminal behavior as normal, learned behavior, not abnormal or pathological behavior, as described by other theory. That shifts the conversation from evil people to learning environments. If you learned something powerful today, hit the like button, subscribe for more powerful criminological insights, and share this to a friend. Let's build a community that thinks deeper about crime and society. This video is strictly for educational purposes and does not promote crime or violence. Thank you for watching Criminology Unlocked. Tell me what you learned about social learning theory in the comment section. Remember, knowledge is your greatest security. See you soon.